Hey guys, Mark the chef here. We're back in the kitchen with Mr. Scott from Welcome Home Beef. Brought in some Premier steak grind. We're gonna make some meatballs. So talk me through, what makes y'all's Premier steak grind Premier?
Thanks, Mark. Appreciate you having us here again. So what makes our hamburger meat and our grinds so delicious is the fact that we only sell high choice, upper 2/3 and prime. Anything that doesn't grade upper 2/3 choice or prime, it all goes into our hamburger.
Wow.
So in our grind, you're actually getting filet mignon, skirt steak, ribeye, New York strip.
Wow.
It all goes in there. It's not just trimmings. And it truly is a premier steak grind.
Yeah, so let's get cooking. Today, Mr. Scott will be making meatballs with a cream sauce. So to start off, we gotta cook our meatballs. I'm gonna melt a little bit of beef tallow, just give me a little bit of fat in the bottom, and then we're gonna fry these. After that's done, I'm gonna add a little bit of white wine, deglaze the pan, add some Alfredo sauce, some cheese, some cream, and then finish it off with about 8 or so ounces of linguine pasta, and we should have a very delicious dish.
Can't wait.
Let's get started by melting some tallow. The tallow is melted. Now I'm gonna add these meatballs, cook them for about 8 minutes or until they're brown all around. Our meatballs are seared, so I'm gonna take some white wine, deglaze the pan, and then continue making the sauce. Okay, Mr. Scott, the sauce is done. We've assembled the meatballs and the pasta. We chopped a little bit of Parmesan. Now it's time to try it.
It looks fantastic.
That's like biting into a steak. It's so meaty. Overall, it's just delicious. I mean, we had a little bit of seasoning, salt and pepper. That's it, and it really comes through, and it's quite delicious.
Yeah, you did a great job with the pasta too, with just a few ingredients there. Very proud of the way you put that together. Thanks again for inviting us.
Thank you. I had fun.